Welcome to myself and you in Bir, Himachal Pradesh. Hello there and welcome back to my channel. आज मैं हूँ बीर हिमाचल प्रदेश में and I am staying at this wonderful property which is Hostelite World. ये प्रॉपर्टी बीर के बस स्टॉप के बहुत ही पास है. ओके लेट मी फर्स्ट टेल यू. पूरे से मैंने दिल्ली तक फ़्लाइट ली एंड देन दिल्ली से बीर मैं एक वॉल्वो बस में आई हूँ एंड दैट्स हाउ आई एम हियर इन दिस प्रॉपर्टी इन बीर हिमाचल प्रदेश टू डू पैराग्लाइडिंग. दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम. आई एम सुपर डुपर एक्साइटेड एंड अ लिटिल स्केयर्ड टू. सो लेट्स सी आज का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा होता है.
Takeoff! Hello, कैसा रहा?
Alright, it's freezing cold. It's 4 to 5 degrees right now. And इसमें paragliding की, can't believe it. Prithvi, how was it for you?
It was great experience. It's must try, everyone.
Cried for a moment there and I cannot explain. I felt like a free bird. So paragliding के awesome experience के बाद I went back to the hostel where I am staying, which is Hostelite World Bir. Let me tell you about this hostel. I got a collaboration request from Hostelite World and they have this awesome property with delicious food. They are planning to open up a cafe as well. Well, इतनी मैं तारीफ़ कर रही हूँ क्योंकि actually मुझे जगह बहुत पसंद आई है and it's new. The rooms are very spacious. The bunk beds, the rooms with the dorm rooms, they are also very spacious, very clean. And the rooms are very cozy. Comfortable workstation corners where you can sit and work. The best part was I saw that Airtel, Jio, I guess every network works over here and they also had a good Wi-Fi connection which definitely gave great speed. Currently I am at Zongsar Khyentse Monastery. Please correct me in the comment section if you know what's the correct pronunciation, but people kept telling me there's not much to explore in Bir and I came here for 3 days, so I tried to pick everything which I found worth going to and this was one of the place. And we came to know that this is the largest monastery in northeast and it's huge. I went inside and I was just speechless. The place is so quiet that I was scared to make even a single noise, and I realized how these places are so peaceful and how people to indulge into meditation at these places because the vibes are like that. So what I definitely realized is this place symbolizes emptiness. So if you're a person who enjoys peaceful vibes, definitely you should come here. It's not too far, hardly 15-20 minutes ride to this place. There are a couple of monasteries which you can visit, and you will experience Tibetan culture from here. Along with that, you can also go shopping. You can do shopping of woolen essentials which you need in cold, because I literally experienced -1 degree Celsius over here, so I had to buy a few things like this. There are local shops where you will find these things in very affordable price. I literally got this in 150 rupees. You can go shopping for things to buy from their own culture also. Other than this, you can do cafe hopping. We visited June 16 cafe on our first day. उसके बाद of course आप लोग पैराग्लाइडिंग कर सकते हो. पैराग्लाइडिंग का experience is just marvelous. I was literally in tears when I was in the air, and I was so happy that I'm experiencing something like this before 2021 is ending. You can also go and listen to live music at cafes. I went to Mafia where we heard this guy, his name is Adil. We met him in our hostel itself. If you want to see the highlights, you can follow my Instagram account where you will find the highlight of Bir, where I've literally shared stories of my day by day, how I experienced, what all I did. For now, this is the monastery I've fallen in love with, and I don't feel like leaving the place, but भूख लगी है, दोपहर का टाइम हो गया है, तो जाना पड़ेगा. Alright, so I am back to my hostel, and अभी हम लोगों ने पैकिंग शुरू की है क्योंकि हमको शाम को 6 बजे की बस पकड़नी है back to Delhi. When I say we, I'm also talking about Prithvi. He was also there in my trip and he helped me a lot in shooting the content. Thank you so much to this trip. I literally had a lot of great time, and can't believe I did paragliding, which was completely unplanned, and as they say that unplanned trips are the best, it was definitely one of the best trips of my 2021. आगे क्या आता है अभी वो 2022 में पता चलेगा. Thank you so much guys for watching, and अगर channel subscribe नहीं किया है तो please कर दो. Please like the video and drop your comments about anything you feel like sharing.